How to change your Spotify color theme. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can change Spotify color theme. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Now, can you change your Spotify color theme? Well, basically, if you head into Spotify application and you can look into the settings, that you'll find that there is no any option for such. So if you head into continental display, you can see there is no any option for display preferences, only app language is there. So there is no any option by Spotify itself to change. However, what you can do is you can use other browser extensions for your browser. If you're using Spotify on browser, you can use browser extensions to change the theme color. But you want to be able to do so within the application. Similarly, you can also change your profile color, but not the theme or the whole color of the application. You can open your Spotify profile, head over to the three dots option, right here, and you can see the show Spotify code. You can go there and you can go ahead and choose your desired color, but you won't be able to change the theme of the application itself. So I hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.